So in this problem, we need to determine the length of the tangent drawn from the center of the circle to another circle. Let us begin. So here, let's try to understand it graphically first. So here we have a circle with a center, let's call it C1. The equation of the circle is given to us, that's x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. Now, we have another circle with a center, let's call it C2, and the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Now, from the circle C1, we're going to draw a straight line which is going to be tangent to the circle C2, let's say at point A. So our goal will be to find out the length of this tangent C1A. So now that we have an idea of what we need to find out in this particular problem, so let's quickly recap the formula that we'll be using, the formula to find out the length of a tangent. So let's say we have a circle which is centered at C having the coordinates negative g, negative f. Then we have a point P with the coordinates x1, y1 that is external to the circle. If we join our point P and point A, where then PA is going to be the tangent to the circle at A, and the length of this tangent PA is given by the square root of x1 squared plus y1 squared plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Now that means we will be needing the coordinates of the center of the circle C1, and we need the value of g, f and c from the circle C2. So let's find out. Now here, to find out these parameters, we will be using the general equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. So this is the general equation of the circle that we will use. So let's first compute the value of g, f and c in the first circle. So here 2g will be equals to negative 2. Then the value of 2f, that will be equals to negative 4, and c value will be positive 5, which means g comes out to be negative 1, f value will be negative 2. Here the coordinates of the center, which is given by negative g, negative f, comes out to be equals to 1, 2. So this is the coordinates of the center C1. Also, this is going to be the point that's external to the circle C2. Now, in case of the second circle, here we have 2g that will be equals to positive 2, which means g comes out to be 1. Then we have 2 times f that will be equals to 4. So f value will correspond to 2, and the c value comes out to be 1. So now our goal will be to find out the length C1A. So this will be equals to the square root of, so here we need x1, y1. So x1, y1 will be the coordinates of the center C1. So we take 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 2 times g. Now g value is going to be this particular g value, which is 1, and this will get multiplied to the value x1. So x1 will be 1 in our case. Added to 2 times f value will be 2, multiplied to y1 will be the y coordinate of c1, so that's 2 as well, plus c, the c value, that's going to be 1. So let's compute this value. Summing up, we get 16, so that means our length comes out to be 4 units. So this is going to be the length of the tangent C1A, or 4 units, which is drawn from the center of the circle C1 to another circle centered at C2.